Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by installing Google Drive from the Play Store or App Store on your phone. Open the app and sign in with your Google account, email, and password. Check the top left menu to confirm you are using the correct account for files and backups. Remember that Google Drive provides 15 GB of free storage shared across Gmail and Photos. If you need more space, consider Google One plans inside the app later. Keep your phone updated for the smoothest Drive experience and security. To add files, open Drive and tap the plus button at the bottom corner of the screen. Choose Upload to add photos, videos, or documents from your phone and select multiple items by long pressing one file. You can also tap Folder to create a new folder and then drag or move items into it for neat organization. Drive allows individual file uploads up to 5 TB when the file is not converted to another format. Use Wi-Fi when uploading large files to avoid mobile data charges. Select a file and tap Share or get link to send access to contacts or apps. Choose permissions for people as viewer, commenter, or editor before sending the link to control edits. To work without internet, open a file, tap the three dots, and enable Available Offline for quick access later. Review storage by opening settings and checking your usage breakdown to free up space if needed. Use Remove or Trash to delete large files, and empty Trash to permanently recover your quota quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.